blowing, girl.
Am I? Mm-hmm. I'm freezing, actually.
Let the car warm up now. Don't talk crash now. Let it warm up.
Hello, everybody. Today we are going to the doctor's for my glucose test. I am still 27 weeks. In a couple of days, I'll be 28 weeks, but...
Sunday.
Yeah, today's Thursday. So we're going to take you guys along and see how it is. Because everybody takes this test, and everybody says it's disgusting. So, I'll let you know.
I'll be the witness.
He won't be allowed in there. He has to sit in the car. But he's driving. Wow.
So you about to get ready for the glucose test. Yeah, my edge is messed up, man.
Let me show people your body. I got my alma mater probably backwards, but it says Norfolk State.
Yeah, I don't mess with none of my colleges.
That's a shame. Anyway, about to go in, and then I will probably try to take you guys along. We don't know. You have fun in the car, sweetie. That was not as bad as I thought it was going to be, but bleh, gross. I'm not doing that again. Good. So we're back in the car. I wanted to show y'all how they took my blood. I didn't want to record that because some people might be squeamish, but yep, all done. Okay, so when I first walked into the doctor's office, this is a doctor I thought I saw before, but I didn't see him before. When I first walked in, he got up this close. It was like, hey.
Definitely too close.
How you doing? How are you feeling? And I'm like, bruh, pandemic back up. I know we got on masks, but you're a little too close. But he was really nice. He told me that I could sleep on my right side, so I was telling him I was having pain on my left side. He's like, you can sleep on both sides.
I've been defending that left side. I'm like, no.
Tommy will say, you sleep on your right side, turn over.
Yeah, I stick to it. Don't tell me nothing.
No, so the guy said that I can sleep on my right side, so that's good. Then he did a, what's the thing called when you can hear the heartbeat? So her heartbeat is in the 30s range. So right now it should be between 30s and 40s. So she's perfect, and that's great. And oh yeah, the lady at the front desk. So we were scheduling my next visit, and she was like, "Okay, well, how's December? Let me see your ring." I was like, "Huh? December what day?" She's like, "Let me see your ring." So I showed it to her. She's like, yeah, she was like, it's so cute. I love it so much. Like, it's so big. And she was wearing a ring. So I'm like, your ring is beautiful. And she's like, yeah, but she was like, is yours brand new? I said, it's like 6 months old. And she's like, I've had mine for 3 years. I said, you gonna get married anytime soon? She was like, no, we were gonna do it this year, but we bought a house instead. I said, I understand. And then COVID happened. I get it. But it was just really funny. Like, it was like a 3-minute conversation about my ring.
That happens often, though. You told me.
It does. I love it so much. Thank you. I'm gonna call me a black ring.
With some diamonds in it. I need me a ring with some. You know what I mean?
think the black rings look really dope, actually.
I need me a ring.
You want some diamonds, and I'm gonna get you some diamonds in
So
but
you got more carats than me.
But I don't know. Like, I didn't really like the black rings with the diamonds in it that much. But oh yeah, the glucose test was disgusting. Like, at first it was good. Like, I was like, oh, this is fine. It was chilled. It was cold or whatever. But then, like, I was like, I have to finish this whole thing. She's like, yes, you have a couple of minutes to do so. You're almost out of time. I'm like, bro, huh?
How big was it?
It was like this big.
Of what?
Of just syrup, but It wasn't like super thick concentrated syrup like I thought it was gonna be. It was like, it was just nasty. And then the aftertaste was really got me. And then I'm sitting in the waiting room because you have to wait an hour after. And bro, it wasn't a whole hour I had to sit in the waiting room though. Most of the time I was waiting for the doctor to come in. But I started getting nauseous. I was like, bro, if I throw up in here, then they're not gonna take my blood because it's not gonna work, I guess. So I was really trying to hold it together. But now we're gonna go get some Dunkin' Donuts.
So you might want to put the direction.
I want hot chocolate. That's all I really want. But I know hot chocolate has sugar in it, so I was like, we'll just wait till afterwards. And my shirt's really tight, so I can't roll that down. Look, oh, my belly's always out. I feel like I'm not gonna show you guys. That was my experience with the glucose test. Pretty much nasty.
I mean, I just sat in the car with the heat on, heat off, foam overheated, just chill.
Why don't you put it so it's not right there?
I didn't really do much. I mean, that was the baby daddy experience. So.
You got to drive. If I had to drive, I'd probably pass out by now because.
Oh, I didn't know that. I was gonna make a drive, but I just thought, okay.
Yeah, it's like a 35-minute drive from our house. Our midwife is a whole lot closer, but the doctor is far. Now we're gonna go get something to eat, probably unhealthy. Can we get McDonald's?
No.
McDonald's is superior.
Fake food.
Aww, fake food, fake news, whatever.
Definitely.
Tommy actually doesn't want to feed us.
Huh?
You know what he wants to do?
Huh?
He wants to go to BJ's.
No, I just want to get you what you need, which is eggs.
We have 2 eggs. I told him to take me to McDonald's.
None of that shit later. I ain't got no eggs. I ain't got no this.
I told him to take me to McDonald's. And we're at BJ's.
Then,
Somebody help
instead
me.
of going to McDonald's or something like that, you invest in food that lasts. That way, you ain't got to keep on frivolous spending.
Frivolous spending.
Make sure you have your Crocs.
I'm just hungry. That's all. Just hungry. And there he goes. In the BJ's when I asked for McDonald's. Well, 2 seconds later, he said the line is too long, so he's back in the car. Yay!
I try to be thoughtful, but sometimes...
No, I appreciate it because we do need more eggs, but we have 2 eggs left, so I can get eggs later, and we can go get some hot chocolate. Oh, my hair look. Woo! Anyway, we out.
Got it out the mud.